Aliena, unfortunately, we will have to change the color theme again. I think you told me to make it pink last time. Our investors didn't like the look, so we will have to make it purple to make it gender neutral. But we only feature digital dresses, and you think male customers are interested in those? That's why we will have to move away from just dresses, but also bring in NFT shoes. Aliena, thanks for understanding. I will have to go to another meeting, so let's set up a meeting on next Monday to review your design. Hey Elizabeth, so I just changed the theme to purple and I added NFT shoes. I only had 1 day to work on it, so this is all I got right now. Great! You know what, Aliena? What? Wouldn't it be cool if we add a new feature to let our users build their own 3D avatar and also a 3D closet? That's cool for sure. Well, is that what the user said based on the user research? You know, this will distinguish our product from all our competitors' products. And my intuition tells me that this is the right step to take. Can you please come up with some prototype ideas, sketches, and show us next week? Hello team, I'd like to update everyone regarding the latest timeline. Our investor said that we have to deliver our MVP by the end of next month. Hey Elizabeth, we've been changing the designs a lot. I need some more time to deliver it, and Ben definitely need more time to build it. So for the MVP, we're only going to deliver the features that are absolutely necessary. And on my end, it's just the preview product page and also the payment feature. So Aliena, please archive the rest of the design, and for now, we only need those 2 pages that I talked about, okay? I just spent the entire month to design these features. Hey, so I did what you said, I deleted most of the functions, and right now there's just 2 key features. It looks great! Oh, Aliena, can you put a floating button on top of each page that says donate on it? We really need some donation on our end. Sorry, what? You want me to put a floating button that says donate on every single page? Yes! But that'll mess up the design hierarchy of the entire product. Well, that's your job to figure it out. Hey Aliena, the design looked good to me. I just have 2 quick requests. So first of all, I see that you're using this blurry thing on the navigation bar here. Unfortunately, I don't know how to make this blurry thing here. So is it okay if we just change it to a solid white color? Second thing, I see that you're using the Ethereum icon here. Unfortunately, I don't know how to work with those crypto plugins. So can we just change it to US dollar for the currency in our MVP? In that way, I only need to use a PayPal plugin. That's it. I know making design compromises suck, but efficient communication can make it better. And that's why I'd like to introduce you to today's sponsor, Loom. Loom is a tool that can help you to cancel the next meeting. It is used by over 14 million people, and I know a lot of tech companies use Loom these days. With Loom, you can record your screen and yourself talking at the same time. Loom is available on website, also has Chrome extension, and you can download it for your Android mobile or your iOS mobile. For example, here, I'm showing a prototype, and if I want to say something to Elizabeth, I will use Loom extension here, and I can directly record myself and my screen. And Loom also released its new feature that allows you to stitch together clips from multiple videos. Simply click Add Clip to add more videos. This feature can help you to collaborate with others to create async presentations, customize videos at scale by adding a presentation intro, and updating old videos with new information. There's more interesting features to explore on Loom, so please go to the following website and check out Loom. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.